Hello dear students. In this video we will solve questions on code window.
Questions on chapter 4 code window. The first question is complete the table with a number from 1 to 5 using the next screen to express every number to what it refers to. Number 1 refers to the name of the file that saves the code. Number 2 refers to the name of the file that saves the design of the form interface. Number 3 refers to the start of the class. Number 4 refers to the place to write the codes of the class. Number 5 refers to the end of class. Let's solve the second question. Complete the table using the next screen. Number 1, form1.vb is the name of the file that saves the code. Number 2, form1.vb design is the name of the file that saves the design of the form interface. Number 3, the start of the class. Number 4, the space to write the codes of the class. Number 5, end of class. Let's solve the third question. Complete the table using the next screen. The name of the solution is shapes. The name of the project is also shapes. We can enter the code window more than one way, through command view code in the shortcut menu of form1.vb or function key F7. The purpose of properties in the shortcut menu is open properties of form1.vb design to adjust the properties of form1. Let's solve the fourth question. Complete the table using the following screen. Number 1 refers to class name. Number 2 refers to name of the class, which is frm square. Number 3 is method name. Question 5. The number of forms is 1, which is frm square. 1 refers to method name. Number 2 refers to name of the class, which is frm square. List 3 different control tools on the screen. Number 1, LBL lens, LBL result, BTN calculate, as you see. The name of the class is frm square. Number 6, answer the questions using the following screen. From the previous screen, write 3 different events. Auto size changes. Click you can also right double click. As you see, you can choose the event that you want from this menu. FRM square refers to name of the class. The events in the window belong to the control button 1. The name of the active tab in the window is active tab frm square .vb. Number 7. Complete the table using the following screen. Number 1 indicates to the procedure name, which is button 1 underscore click. Number 2 end of procedure. Number 3 what causes the calling of procedure. Number 4 the place of writing code. Number 5 the class name, which is frm square. Number 6 end of class. Components of the general syntax to adjust the properties of controls programmatically. Control name dot property equal value. This is the control name or object name. Name of property. Value of property. Let's solve the last one. Explain the following codes through your previous study for the general syntax to adjust the properties of control programmatically. A. Button 2 dot text equal int. The answer is display word end on button 2. B. 1 dot auto size equal true. Means that the size of label 1 is adjusted automatically according to the text that appears in label 1.